Marketers are now worried about dark social, despite increased pressure to track spend and metrics. What is dark social? How can you use dark social in your marketing? Let's explore the dark world of dark social. Alexis Madrigal, an American journalist and author, coined the term dark social in 2012. He claimed that we don't see the whole picture when it comes to social traffic. He wrote, "There are situations, however, where there is no referrer information. We don't know how you got to our door, so we are not able to identify the source of your social traffic. It's what I call dark social." Marketers have used the term dark social to describe difficult to track web traffic, comments, and discussions since then. These are spaces where buyers are not influenced by your brand, but are nonetheless influenced. 84% of all outbound sharing by consumers takes place now in dark social media channels like email, instant messaging, and social networks. Marketers use terms such as dark funnel, dark traffic, and dark social media, which all fall under the same category. Many marketers mistakenly confuse dark social with dark internet, but it's not. Buyers are using a completely new way to purchase. They use social media forums, Slack communities, and podcasts to find the right product. Marketers who don't know how to navigate the social media space could be manipulating their data and metrics. All this is not good news for CMOs and CEOs who want to track marketing dollars. Let's first look at some spaces where there is dark social. This list may surprise you. Facebook ad comments. Page admins will be notified about comments, likes, and dislikes on their pages. However, this is not always the case for ads. Brands will often place Facebook ads without responding to dark social comments. This is because they don't receive notifications in the usual places. This could allow commentators to hijack your ad's comments section. Email. Most email providers won't give out referral information to brands. This is unless you track URLs and the recipient clicks on them. Podcasts. Google and Apple Podcasts can be considered dark social as they generate discussions and debates that cannot easily be tracked by brands. How would a brand know if 1,000 people buy a candle because it was mentioned on a podcast without a trackable link? They wouldn't. WhatsApp and Messenger. WhatsApp is ranked number 1 in 63 of 100 countries. Discussions and recommendations are confidential, and rightly so, and cannot be tracked. Messenger is 4th in the world with 1.3 billion active users. Messenger can show you ads and retarget you based upon your conversations. However, Messenger cannot attribute any website visited via a link shared. There are many other messaging apps available, some of them exclusive to China and Asian countries. QQ and WeChat are growing in popularity. Slack and Basecamp are key places where professionals can have discussions and make buying decisions. These transactions are difficult to track or attribute to the source. This is an example of dark social under a Facebook ad. It's from Earth 2. Tragically, since I write about digital marketing, I get all the metaverse ads. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. Click on the link below to visit our website for more detailed information.